Chevra, we're here today by a very good friend of mine, All Set Party Rentals, Zevi Steinman. Chevra, he has a company that's going to blow you away. Wie is my Zevi? Zevi!
Chaim.
Zevi, can I see you the mic,
Of course.
Zevi,
All right, we got the mic.
You got the mic. We heard so much about your company. All Set Party Rentals. My good friend Meilech.
Of course.
Oh, I see over here, Silver Spoon over here. Meilech over here takes care of you.
Great guy,
Man.
man.
No?
Sure.
So he always says, Chaim, you gotta want to go down to Zevi to see his place. Zevi, we're good old friends from Yeshiva.
Yep.
I heard you got a huge company out here. I see you all the time. We got to cover this.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's start. So we're a party rental. The phones are starting. Let me tell you about our company. Okay, we're a company that we have a party. We do everything from A to Z. Means we help you the cheapest chairs to the most expensive chairs, to different size table, helping you make a layout. We have plenty of people, making a Simcha. They're all stressful. Chaim, when you make a Simcha, everything's very stressed. It's the most stressed time. People expect it to be to the 100% excellent, the best. And that's what we do. We help you plan it from A to Z. It means if you have a dining room, you don't know what could fit over there, you give us a call. Sometimes we'll come down. If not, you tell us the measurements and we can help you with the sizes.
They got to call you, or they have a website? Do you have a website?
So we do have a website. So let me show you a little bit around over here. So we have a website right over here.
What's his website?
All right, allsetparty.com. Okay, we're gonna make a quick quote right over here. Okay, let's get a table. Let's say we want an 8x4 table.
Wow, that's a beautiful website.
Okay.
Clear, crisp.
Yes, gives you the seats over here, seats 12 to 14. We're gonna add it to the quote.
Unreal.
And let's do some chairs. We have many chairs to choose from. We're gonna do some garden chairs.
You have the chairs here in the...
Sure. We're gonna give you a tour. We're gonna give you a tour around the warehouse soon. So we do 15 chairs. All right, here's your quote. Now, if you want, you could write some notes, request specific delivery times. We try to accommodate. Obviously, it's very hard to do punctual exact timing.
Amazing. So a guy could go online and just wrap up a party.
Yep.
Add chairs, add tables, add tablecloths, add a whole decor, and boom.
You have a party. Let me just show you one thing. The way it comes in, you request a quote. You're gonna request a quote online. It comes in. We send you this is a quote we got. We send you a request for review, and we review it. And afterwards, we go back. You sign a contract, and it's paid. Zehu, you got
Easy. 2026.
Yep.
Unreal.
This is the best part today. With today's day, it's 2025. Everyone wants to have it easy. You come, you place the order online, boom, it's done. You don't have to talk to us. We gain, you gain. It's all good.
This is amazing. So let's go through your warehouse. See what you guys got.
Okay. All right. Let me give you a tour a little bit.
Wow.
Right,
this is our warehouse.
Yep.
This is the warehouse.
Chaim, I got some exciting news. We have this amount of space we have now. We're getting double. Met Hashem, we have a few containers coming from China. Every year we try to, get in some new stuff, up to styles. Let me show you around. So these are some wine barrels. We have some bars. I know it's in a warehouse. It's not the best laid out, but we got some high cocktail tables, nice stuff. We have to the basic chair to the nicest chair out there. We got shelving. We got anything you want. Bars, high cocktail tables, dishes. Obviously the dishes need hashgacha. It's under the KCL. We have from chafing dishes, buffet styles, warmers. We got everything. Bars, shelving, chairs. We got tents. From a 10 by 10 tent, from 100 square feet, we got till 8,000 square feet. We recently just did a 50 by 120. Your Rebbe comes. I know it's Lakewood. There's not so many Rebbes here, but
But you covered 1 minute. You covered the whole New Jersey and the whole where?
The whole Pennsylvania. We do Pennsylvania also. Yeah, in the summer we're very busy. South side, we have Seaside Heights. We have also.
So basically, you're going worldwide. You're gonna hit Kochobi one day.
Maybe one day.
Going all over
one day. Listen, we'll be the first party rental company. Together with Meilech, obviously.
Don't block the driveway, of course. So you have shelving, all different types of shelving, all different types of chairs. Look at the chairs, Kevin. Every type, every design. It's all on the website.
Yep, everything's on the website. We have a crazy selection of shelving. It's probably the local companies the most. We have different mechitzas over here.
Mechitzas.
We have some tent heaters.
Tent heaters. Winter.
10 floors. These will be used for tents.
A muddy backyard. He wants to make a party. You guys come down.
Shabbos. A lot of times you have a problem with the grass. You put down such a flooring, and we put down. And we put down some carpet over here.
So you have carpeting. You have flooring.
Everything.
Draping.
Here we have a bunch of folding chairs. Again, like I said, we have from the cheapest chairs to the most expensive chairs.
Folding chairs that Baruch uses for his videos.
Yep.
He uses you.
Yep, and every chair before it goes out gets checked. We have it gets cleaned.
Have you guys sit down on the chair, make sure it doesn't break.
Listen, officially, they're meant for 7. Even have caps. Double check every chair. You shouldn't scratch the floors.
Wow.
Obviously, we don't guarantee anything can happen, but
That's great.
We got stages over here. Unfortunately, I don't have enough room in my warehouse. We have a bull jack stage, but the Rebbe Shechasanas,
You got that too.
Sure. In a different warehouse.
We're working at the holiday there, but they're hustling away.
Listen, we got to cater to the yiddish oilam. We got fabric covering the stages.
So you have fabric for the stages. Clothes.
Everything, skirting, everything. We do it for multiple bands to come here to Lakewood. We do. Here's our structure tents. We have some of them out now. So that looks a little empty.
Have any tents up right now?
Yeah, sure. We got 4 of them at least up now. I gotta show you this time. You can also sit there. It's meant for you also.
It's a tiny.
Yeah, sure.
For little kids.
It's a hot.
Who's it meant for this?
For the kids, upscherend. Anything. You're making a simcha in the house, you want the kids to be entertained, get them, their size chair.
You get them their size chair, they're happy to go. But you got all unique type of
These
chairs.
are beautiful. It's a beautiful chair. Unfortunately, I don't have a cushion here, but it's a beautiful hot chair. We made this ourselves.
Really? You designed yourself?
Yep. We designed it. Yeah. A nice cushion. It's our most expensive chair. We have everything. Wood, from ballroom to wood, for rustic. Look, in the summers, for winter. Winter, you have clear. We have black. We have a lot more chairs coming also from China.
Really beautiful. Every type, every style table. Unreal is what you pulled off over here.
We got high chairs also. We have a lot of people making
High
hotel.
chairs.
We have a lot of people making hotel shabusim, even local in the halls. They need a high chairs for the kids.
You
got some
don't
choosing
leave out
kids.
detail here. What is that, couches? Like a
Couches,
kala?
sure.
Really?
Couches.
So somebody's making an in-house chasana, let's say. And he needs a kala couch, the kala.
We have that also, 2-seater right up there.
Jeez, got your covers heavy.
We got everything from A to Z, from patio heaters, cool tables.
Those heaters, big heaters in the summer, in the
Yeah.
winter.
Let me show you a little bit of our dishes. Here's our dishes. Obviously, we work hand in hand. Every time, one thing, if we don't have any items, you're looking for nicer chargers, nicer glasses, we work hand in hand with a company called Silver Spoon. They come and deliver.
Shout out
We're
to
not more expensive. Shout out to Meilich, of course. The best service out there. Of course, we have a hat rack. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I know, unfortunately, it's not really made for Hasidim. It's Stamlich too big for this, but
the hat,
for Lakewood, it's good, the hats.
The Litvish hats over here. So you're saying by an event, the Litvish put the hat on it.
Yep. Listen, if you're making a Shabbos at home, hotel Shabbos again, we have a magazine stand. You can put some magazines for your guests. They come pick it up to your house. We have some dishes over here. We have some colored plates too.
Oh, China cutlery here.
We got everything. We have some more couches over here.
Oh, what is that nice couches? China couches.
We have them actually going out.
Going to this event?
tomorrow.
Big couches here.
Yep.
How do you keep it on this little warehouse?
Listen, we make it work.
Wow.
And much we are growing, Baruch Hashem, We started off also with one truck, one van, and we're up to 5 trucks and a van,
You said you're expanding?
Yeah.
Were you expanding next door?
Next door. Same size warehouse.
Doubling the warehouse.
Unreal.
Unreal.
We actually put up a tent now for an event tonight. We actually did a few tents, but one of them is close by. I guess let's go down.
Let's
I'll show
go.
you. Chaim, before we go to the tent, I have to make a short stop in my other place where we have our tablecloths. Check it out.
Gorgeous. Every color, every type.
Look at this. Every design. We have laces, underliners. We have a million different options over here.
On your website.
The poly tablecloth, the plain poly mind dus. For the simple events, we have everything in allsetparty.com. But for the rest, is Le Tableau.
That's your other company.
Le Tableau. Yep. Wow. Let me take you to the back a second and just show you a quick operation over here. We do with our good convention. We do everything. We can do crazy big jobs over here, like Pesach programs.
Then I'm going to ask you bluntly, how old are you?
How old am I? I don't know. Should I advertise it?
You're under 30 years old.
Under 30, 20 plus.
And you are rocking a company. And
Look at this.
You own this company for a couple of years already. It's unreal.
Chaim, check it out. Look what's going on over here.
Unreal. This long.
How does my sister not clean this do?
This is crazy.
Yep.
Cleanest from tablecloths. Every type, every style.
Check it out. Check out the back a second.
Oh, you clean it here.
Of course, everything's cleaned there. Cushion, tray, everything gets pressed also. That's that. For this tablecloth company, not just that, the quality is the best, and everything gets pressed. I mean, you come to Simcha, a lot of times you see a tablecloth all creased and everything. Every tablecloth gets checked. When it comes out of the press, they get pressed. Now, so you see, we have tablecloths ready to get pressed. This is the press. They're going to the nishduv. It's off for the chaga. They're off. That's it. Check it out. Look at me. We have thousands of cloths for polis. We've done the good convention, Pesach programs, anything, any big hotel job, anything from small for 2 tablecloths to few hundred tablecloths.
That's one thing I love about your company. You give the same service. Somebody's calling for a little event. You make a little simcha in his house. He's having 20 people, a little tent, and it's a good convention.
Yup. One more point with party planners also. It's amazing. You could find out. I deal with over 50 party planners in town, between caterers and party planners.
That means you share a lot of friends. Between two good
I'm sure. Okay. We top service. You could check out our website, the reviews. I did everything. We have a lot of times. The party planners, they're all stressed and everything. Last minute emergencies. You can call us. They always know. You're always covered by Allset. There's no such thing. There's no answer. No. There's no on the menu.
Look at that. Wow. I love this track over here. I love this. This is great. All right, Zevi. 10th it is.
Let's go.
This is great.
Chaim, of course, we have to give a shout out to, the one who runs this place, David Lissauer, F402, of course.
F402, not F302, F402.
402.
302 versteht sich, ja.
Yeah, you're 302?
I'm 302 and Shulam Rand is 202. So
get to wall and Atzula. Chaim, when do you have time to take Atzula calls?
I don't have time. That's the issue. I don't have time.
Oh boy.
So this is Duvid's place. You and Duvid together. Amazing. Duvid, shout out to Duvid at 402. Fine.
Chaim, welcome to Tom's River. I know you were here for this past Shabbos.
Ha! Als je met de ganze search weer.
We all follow Perlowitz's status. Let me show you. This is one of our tents we did actually for a party tonight. This is, a medium-sized tent. We can do a lot bigger and a lot smaller too.
So this is not medium. It's a nice size tent here. I guess for you it's a medium.
This seats around 180 people.
Wow, and this is one of your smaller tents.
This is medium size.
What was the biggest you put up again?
50. We just did recently a 50 by 120.
Wow, it's like double.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot more.
6,000 square feet. This is like 1,800.
Crazy.
Here you got a tent heater.
A lot more.
We got two of them. Each a tent.
Tent heater, and you stick the vent. How does it work? The vent. Oh, so you guys run on gas. You have your own propane.
This is propane. It runs off a fan. Turn on the switch, and yalla, that's it.
That's amazing.
It works.
And it blows it inside under there?
Yep, under there.
Yeah.
Chaim, one thing we do also, we're very careful, in the winter it's cold, it gets flimsy the door, so we have some special poles, we put on bottom of the tent.
So even if it's a strong wind.
Yep, it shouldn't flap.
So in the middle of the winter, you can have a beautiful outdoor party.
Yep. Look at this, take a look.
Oh wow, so
the lights still have to come on.
The lights are still coming
chairs, tables. Chaim, I want to show you one thing also. Another thing, we have a lot of
all these stuff are yours?
Yep.
From warmers to trays to, look at this cabinet, shelving.
A part of this is the caterer. It's a unique caterer. Shout out to him.
What's his name?
The customer, unique caterer.
Lipa Famous.
Yeah.
You guys have multiple tables, carving stations.
Everything. Let me show you one thing also. You're doing an outdoor event. You don't want people going into your house to go in for washing. So, very cool item. Fill it up with water over here. Paper towel holder. This washes around 50 to 75 people.
Wow, little machine that wash big, because the Shekhinah is supposed to wash with the gum.
Yeah.
Between all the fingers.
Easy item. Go, drain it.
Oh wow, what a mechaya. It's cool potential.
Another thing also, in the summer, don't forget, we do generators. If someone has a big Shabbos, we take care of the generators for you, for your warmers, anything. You don't want anything connected to your house. You want everything down here. We do everything. AC. We do from big tents to small tents, everything. We got the whole thing covered for you.
Wow.
And this is our structured tent. We have different types of tents. So it's more of a nicer tent. We have pole tents also.
Wow. Zevi, you talk blew me away. I started the video that I know you have a big company, but this blew me away. Zevi, what is the phone number somebody wants to reach out to? All set.
732-444-8456. 732-444-8456. WhatsApp, text, email, Instagram, whatever you want.
Okay, we're going to put all the links on the screen over here. Hit up Zevi, the next event you have either in New Jersey, anywhere in New Jersey. The whole New Jersey, that's a big state, and the whole Pennsylvania.
Yep,
and one day he's going to be out in Okeechobee. Zevi, mark my word.
Check our website also at allsetparty.com. Another thing, Chaim, you mentioned the age before, it's nothing to do with that. Alles is yata d'shmaya. Everything comes from the Irish there.
I love that.
You try your best, you do your best, and that's it.
Hashem takes the rest. Zevi, have a great day and just keep on hustling and rocking. Shkoyach for your service, L401. Keep up your good work. Zevi, before we finish, we always have to do a Perlowitz promotion. What's going to be the promotion today?
Promotion for January, for the month of January, we're going to do a 10% off all your orders. Mention the Perlowitz show. You'll be able to put it in the coupon code in the website.
Perlowitz show.
Perlowitz show. Code. And 10% off, or you mention it to our office and you get a 10% off.
Chevre, make your parties now. If you started making a party, do it now at All Set and you get 10% off on your order. Chevre, it's worth it. All Set, they got you covered from A to Z.